Okay guys, so our first challenge tonight to go to Hideaway and I'll ask kung paano pumunta ng Hideaway. I'm sorry, can I ask?
Can I see it? Just maybe just a couple of seconds. Yeah. It might take you like 7 minutes to walk.
What's your name?
My name is Jason though.
Jason?
Yeah, my name is Jason.
Jason, say hi to my TikTok. There you
Hi.
go.
Second touch.
And the second stoplight.
You turn right.
Okay.
You will get into it.
Okay, got
Okay,
it.
just I know because this is like a crowded place. Just be careful with your wallet.
Thank you.
Right.
Bye.
Have fun out there.
Thank you. So it's my first night in Saigon. Yes. Lakad-lakad tayo. Pero so after nun, I'll see a stoplight. I turn left sa second stoplight daw. Ay, ang cute ng bus. Ang liit tsaka ang tangkad. Hala, tatawid tayo. Tatawid! Yes. I don't know what's this. Parang Malate. Saan tayo? So ganito pala yung Malate nila dito. Grabe. Balik na ako. Kakain muna ako. Nagugutom na ako. Vietnamese cuisine. This is the tam. Woo! Wow.
What you want?
So ban xiao. Okay, I'm currently right now here sa The Tham along Bouvienne Street. Okay, this is Pho. This is Pho Bo. And then this is Ban Xiao. Oh, look at that. Do you want to say hi? Hi. What's your name?
Kim.
Kim.
Yes.
Ooh, what a name. Nice name, Kim. So we are at The Tham right now trying this Ban Xiao. Kasi it's one of the recommended food by TikTok Vietnam. This is food?
Wrapper. Yeah.
Rice paper.
Rice paper. Yeah.
You can try it. Yeah. Only.
Rice paper. So what are you doing now?
I'm making a roll.
Okay.
Yes. Nice string roll.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, man.
Did you call this? Can I have your TikTok name?
Sure.
Yes. I want to see my face.
Of course. Just say Kim once again. Say hi.
Hi.
She's preparing this. Oh, it's so good. It's so fresh. Ban Xiao is so good. This one tastes like lumpia. So good. I like this. So what she did, eto diba, tapos, and then, So medyo maanghang. Then this one.
Iron oil.
Pan siao. So good. A verdict, the panseo.
Yeah, panseo.
The panseo is very, very good. It's my first time to eat that one. The pho is just okay. Yeah, so yun lang yung masasabi ko. Pero yung panseo, naubos ko. Ang lala, naubos ko. Oh my goodness. Hindi pa ako umiinom ng tubig or anything, pero ang sarap kasi it feels like super fresh. Ang daming mga nangyayari. Ang daming aromatics na sumasabog sa bibig ko pag kumain ka na Vietnamese food. And Kim is very nice. So Kim, thank you.